Hi everyone, in this video tutorial we will learn how to find contact pairs automatically without any selection manually. First, let's go to find contact pairs icon and select the search domain. We need to use the word model and the value of tolerance and separation value between surfaces of contact. First, let's take it as it and let's go to hit light in viewport, select pairs or any other options. Let's select pairs selection and find contact pairs. Now we have 6 contacts in our model. The first one, second one, third one, fourth, fifth, and sixth. As in this file contact, we have interaction between this instance and this instance. Let's change the tolerance to 1 and click find contact pair. We have 4 contact pairs. The first one between pin and specimen, and the second one between the bottom surface and lower instance, the third one, and the fourth one between this part and instance in this position. Let's we have the value of separation, type of interaction, and option of sliding, find sliding or others value, and property. We can change property and select interaction property, and also in this type we can use tie constraint or surface to surface constraint, and also we need to add adjustment. We can add value or any other options, and surface smoothing, and click OK. If you are agree this selection, click OK. Now let's go there and we can find all property of contacts automatically detected.